To new vlog, today and drama. I'm Chloe McCarty. You guys are the Chloe Tins, and today I'm at my dad's right now. Today I'm gonna be practicing my dog outside. Here's the tricks that we do. She comes. Hey, I've put her in this. Sit, please. Sit. Sit, please. Please. Thank you. I put this on because I found her before. Come. Follow. Follow. And she will actually fall. Kiss. She got an itch. She got an itch. Comment down below if you guys can see me. Let's go. Hug. Thank you for the hug. She knows hug. Down. Thank you. Hug. Big hug. 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 Thank you. Down. Now, she knows a lot of tricks lately. Yeah, she knows how to jump high. We're about to go outside. And do it outside, like, because she still needs to learn to follow me. Ah! Had to do it, guys. You guys know it. Okay. I'm gonna go outside, right? I'm gonna go outside. I have this black thing on that you guys can see, and you guys are probably like, why do you have that on? It's not like you're going to take her for a walk. And I do take her for walks. I'm about to go pick up my friend, Kylie, that I saved her life. You'll see her in a lot of vlogs. She's my sister, so you'll actually see her in a lot of vlogs. Actually, we're friends. We used to be sisters. Alrighty, follow. Sit. Sit. See? It's her problem. Sit. Sit. Come. Sit. 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 Thank you. Sit. 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 Stay. Stay. Sit. Stay. I'm gonna go over here, guys. Stay. No, ma'am. Stay. Stay. It's gonna be a dog video, how to train your dog, guys. I'm not being rude to my dog. Just that she needs to learn. Follow. Come on, big girl. Come on. Run. Come on. Ooh, did you see that jump? Good girl. Up. Girl, it's like stuff, you know. We're so good. We're really so good. Wait. Just taking this off. She can play. There she goes. This is like a dog video. This is like a dog video for the video. This is Patience, guys. She's my beautiful woman. I'm her mom. Someone threw her over her fence, so Dad called her ours. Oh. She's looking for bunnies right now. She's like, there she is. She's a pointer / Jack Russell, and she has to go potty. She's a pointer / Jack Russell. Like, one of those crazy dogs. One that catches bunnies and, you know, birds and other stuff. Chicken poop. So, yeah, it's going to be a dog day for her. And she's going to have a vlog. You've already probably seen Duke's one vlog. She is going to have a vlog real soon about her lifetime, like what she does. See that? She got a bunny. She got a bunny. Well, she had one. Like, she was chasing it. She lost it. So, yeah, she's running around. Oh. So, yeah, in my lifetime, I usually vlog, like today, I'm hoping that my Kylie's grandma says, yes, I can come, because then I'll be able to vlog there. But, like, I have to post this video, so, like, I'm hoping they have Wi-Fi there. So, this video can post, or if it's already going to post. So, yeah. Life's great, life's great. But you'll see, her school gets out at 2:35. I'm gonna be there at 2:30. She's probably gonna be out at like 2:30 something. Like I got there at like 2:31, I think 2:31 or 32. Yeah, so I'll leave probably at 2:30 o'clock. I was playing with this. But yeah. So you can play out here, you know, like I said. She does have a crate out here, so if I leave her out here, she can always go in this crate. And it's like the shadiest thing ever. Look. It's literally shade. There's no sun that goes in. She's probably hear the door thing. You coming in? Staying out, babies. Staying out? Alright. Just staying out. Look, coming in? Alright. She goes, she's staying. Yeah. Yeah, you didn't have to go potty anymore, so. Yeah, I leave her out here. I leave her out there if she wants to be out there. Sometimes I'll just leave her out, you know, just to leave her out. But yeah, guys. I want to show you guys something. There's Eli. I made it this cage here. I made it out of this glue and this. Yeah, so I took a shoebox. I cut it out the parts and made it into a baby cage for this guy. His name is Bo. I do horses. I have tons of horses. That's Bo, but when he's grown up, that's Bo when he's almost done. But yeah, spirits under there. There's 2 horses. There's all the people. There's one of them right there. The blanket. Yeah, it's the life. Some of the horses are out because I don't have any cages for them, so they live here. So, yeah. I just slipped him in, and that's good enough. So, yeah. It's always good enough. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Chloe with a horse face at the end. Peace.